Welcome. In front of me is a REALME 5 Pro, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So there is two ways of doing so, and to begin you want to, number one, open up content that you wish to capture, which as an example I'm gonna use this home screen. So once you have it open, first way would be to hold power key and volume down. So let's do that now. You'll get this animation after a moment and you can let go. This will disappear after a second, and that's about it. And the second way you can capture a screenshot is with three fingers. You, I think, swipe down. Yep, swipe down with three fingers on the screen, and that captures a screenshot as well. And both of them can be found in your photo gallery. Just tap on OK. And you can also go into albums. Once you have more photos, it will be easier to go into the albums where you will have all the screenshots in one place. And disregard the fact that there are three. This one is basically me trying if the three finger option works here. But you can see there is the two different screenshots that I have captured right now. And yeah, so this is the two ways you can do it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.